Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about module number 4, that is corona. Here we are going to discuss about that factors affecting corona and advantages and disadvantages of corona. So first of all, here we are going to discuss about that factors affecting corona. As we all of them very known clearly about that corona. Corona is nothing but simply one chemical reaction. It is because of the presence of ions in the air due to the water particles whose ions, either positive ions or negative ions, may react with the ions present on the surface area of the conductor. Then an ionization process has been takes place, and a corona effect has been takes place due to a faint violet glow color has been takes place. So a faint violet glow color has been takes place. Definitely the potential between the two conductors should be rated value or greater than the rated value, and by that time a hissing noise and some amount of energy has been wasted during the process of corona. So hissing noise has been takes place and ionization gas has been released and some amount of energy has been released, some amount of energy has been wasted due to the affecting of this chemical reaction. So for getting that corona effect, there are various factors or cause. So the factors affecting corona majorly, that is, the phenomena of corona is affected by the physical state of the atmosphere as well as by the conditions of the line. And also the following are the major factors which are depends upon that corona. The first one is atmosphere. Atmosphere is nothing but one of the factor for affecting that corona. And next one is conductor size. Conductor size is also one of the factor for affecting the corona. The next one is spacing between the conductors. So the spacing between the conductors is also one of the factor for affecting the corona. And one more one is line voltage. So line voltage is also one of the factor for affecting the corona. So these are the majorly 4 important factors which affect that corona. So let us discuss about in detail about each and every factor. So first of all, here we are going to discuss about first factor called atmosphere. As corona is formed due to ionization of air surrounding the conductors, therefore it is affected by the physical state of atmosphere in the stormy weather. Even when the voltage between the two conductors, if it is the exactly equal to the rated value, but due to the stormy weather conditions, there exists that corona effect. The number of ions are more than normal, and as such corona occurs at much less voltage as compared with fair weather conditions. During fair weather conditions, the water particles, that means ions present in the air, that should be less. But during stormy weather condition or rainy weather conditions, the ions present in the air particles, that should be more. So during that interval, even though the phase 2 neutral voltage, that is the voltage between the two conductors, even though it is very less, even though it is less means exactly equal to the rated value or nearby equal to the rated value, but corona effect has been takes place. During fair weather conditions, that means during normal weather conditions, the ions present in the air, that should be less. So during that interval, for affecting that corona on the surface area of the conductor, definitely it required a voltage which is greater than the rated value between the two conductors. Then only the corona effect takes place. So anyhow, atmosphere is nothing but one of the factor for affecting the corona. Next one is conductor size. Conductor size is also one of the factor for affecting the corona. That is, the corona effect depends upon the shape and conditions of the conductors. For suppose if we are going to consider a rough surface area of the conductor, that means it has irregular surface which give rise to more corona, because the unevenness of the surface decreases that value of breakdown voltage. Thus a stranded conductor has irregular surface area, hence it gives rise to more corona than a solid conductor. For suppose if we are going to take a smooth surface area of the conductor, during that interval the effect of corona is somewhat less compared to irregular surface area of the conductor. Therefore, whenever we are going to maintain a bigger cross section area of the conductor, definitely the effect of corona is less. Otherwise, the effect of corona is higher. So this is conductor size is also one of the important factor for affecting the corona. Then one more factor which is called as spacing between the conductors. If the spacing between the conductors is made very large as compared to their diameters, then there may not be any corona effect. That means the effect of corona is less whenever the spacing between the conductors which is greater than that of the diameter of the conductor. But it is because larger distance between the conductors which reduces that electrostatic stresses also. So whenever the electrostatic stresses also less, then effect of corona is also less. If electrostatic stresses are more, then effect of corona is more. So that's why it is required to maintain a proper amount of spacing between the two conductors as to reduce the corona effect as by to increase the reliability of power system equipments due to that short circuit faults. Next, one more important factor for affecting that corona, that is called as line voltage. So the line voltage greatly affects corona, because if it is low, that means if the line voltage is low, then there is no change in the condition. That means if there is no any change in the fair weather condition, then the effect of corona is less. For suppose if it is the case, if the line voltage is more, even for fair weather conditions, the effect of corona is very high. So always the line voltage, that is between the two conductors, if it is either line voltage or less than the line voltage, then the corona effect is small. Otherwise, even for fair weather conditions, not for stormy weather conditions, even for fair weather conditions, the effect of corona is higher for line voltage which is rated value or which is greater than the rated value. Next one. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of corona? Corona has many advantages and disadvantages. In the correct design of a high voltage overhead line, a balance should be struck between the advantages and disadvantages. So anyhow, definitely we have to look at the advantages and disadvantages. Even we are designing the given overhead transmission line in a very balanced manner, but definitely we have to discuss about both advantages and disadvantages. However, a coin has both sides in the similar manner. Definitely in any design of system, definitely there are some advantages and disadvantages. Let us see that advantages of corona. So due to corona formation, the air surrounding the conductor becomes conducting, and hence virtual diameter of the conductor is increased. The increased diameter reduces that electrostatic stresses between the conductors. So due to corona formation also there is one advantage, that is due to corona formation the air surrounding the conductor becomes conducting, and hence virtual diameter of the conductor is increases. So whenever the virtual diameter of the conductor is going to increases, during that time the electrostatic stresses are less, thereby the transmission line and its associated equipments whose damaging value should be less. Otherwise there is a damaging of insulators and its power system, transmission system associated equipments. One more advantage here, it is corona reduces that effects of transients. The effect of transients which are produced by the surges, it also reduced by the corona. The major disadvantage of corona, that is once corona effect has been takes place, there is a loss of energy. This affects the transmission efficiency of the line, and ozone is produced. That means ozone gas is produced by the occurrence of corona. It may cause corrosion on the conductor due to the chemical action. Therefore, the current drawn by the line due to corona is non-sinusoidal. Hence, sinusoidal voltage drop also occurs in the line. So this may cause inductive interference with neighboring of communication lines. So telephone influence factor or telephone interference factor is also one of the disadvantages for affecting of corona. So these are the various advantages and disadvantages and various factors which are affecting that corona. So which describes about that especially the disadvantages may address that the loss of energy and efficiency of the transmission line. So loss of energy once it takes place due to the reaction of the ions which are present both in the air particles and also on the surface area of the conductor, then the silver color of the conductor may change into faint violet glow color. So during this process, some amount of energy has been wasted by the time of releasing of that ozone gas. So this chemical action address that one voltage drop, which also address that transmission efficiency, which may degraded. So definitely we have to restrict that corona effect by placing that proper amount of distance, and to maintain that voltage that should be less than the critical value, and thereby we are going to increasing the transmission efficiency as by reducing the corona effect, and also we are going to increase the reliability of the transmission line whenever we are going to overcome the corona effect. Thank you.